Hi, first grade. Today we will review for our Unit 14 assessment. How will we do that? We're going to review our vocabulary and then we're going to practice measuring some objects together. Why? Because it's important to be able to show what we have learned. Length. Say length. Length is a type of measurement. It tells us how long or how wide something is. This pencil is 6 inches. That's the length of that pencil. Unit of measure. Say unit of measure. We can measure speed, time, length, weight, height. Tool. Say tool. Tool is what we use to measure with. We can use a ruler, a stopwatch, paper clips, cubes, or a tape measure. Compare. Say compare. We can compare whales and fish and numbers and weights of objects, and we can compare how long or short they are, the different lengths of the objects. Measure. Say measure. To find the unit of measurement of an object or objects. For this unit, we will measure the length of objects. All right, we have 4 objects here. We have a key, we have a carrot, we have a bag, and we have a pair of scissors. Now, between the objects are some number blocks. And however high the object goes up the number blocks is how tall that object is. So let's look at the key together. The key, the top of the key stops right here at the top of this number, which is what? 3. So the key is 3 units. You're going to write 3 units in the blank. Then the carrot. How tall is the carrot? The very tip of the carrot stops at what number? 6. So the carrot is how many units? 6 units. Okay, now we have a paper bag. The top of the paper bag stops at this line, which is what number? 5. The paper bag is 5 units tall. What about our scissors? How tall are the scissors? They stop on this line. They're even with this line. Number 4. 4 units. Scissors are 4 units tall. All right, how about this cactus? How tall is this cactus? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. What about the book? The book is only 2 units tall. Which one is taller? The cactus. Which one is shorter? The book. Very good. Look at our crayon. How tall is our crayon? The end of the crayon stops even with this line, which is the 4 units. The paintbrush goes all the way from number 1 all the way up to the top number, which is 7 units for the paintbrush. Now, here are a couple of measuring review games that you can go click on and try before you take your test or after you take your test. Before or after. And here is your assessment link. You're going to click on the link below to take assessment 14. Make sure you listen to the questions carefully. Click on the link. Type in your name. Listen to the questions. Listen to the answer choices. Do your best. Okay? Okay. There we go. Back to where I was. All right, when you finish your test, there's your games. Test, games. Games, test. Have a great day. Bye, boys and girls.